and giving us such opportunities to collaborate with such renowned organizations. Also, I would like to tell you that it's a very proud moment for Stage today because we have students coming from 60 plus leading colleges. And as a cherry on the cake, we have international universities participating in our workshop today. Hence, I can say that this time we've gone international. And all of this was only possible because you trusted and had faith in Stage. And now I would request you to give the welcome address to our audience.
Thank you so much, Nidesh. Thank you so much, Kunal. I think it's the most wonderful evening. I've been really looking forward to it. I was in a seminar all day long, and there was very serious talk going on, and I think I needed this break. And I must say, 60 colleges. It wasn't possible even at HR college to get 60 colleges. A big, big cheer towards Stage. Everyone must really put their hands together and thumbs up for Stage for bringing in 60 colleges. And thank you so much, Kunal, and thank you so much, the entire team that actually goes behind this beautiful organization that we have. But I have to tell you that first of all, I would really very quickly, if you allow me to quickly welcome each one of you. First of all, of course, my own people, ISME, ISD, DICE, VFS, DICE Hospitality, a warm welcome to all of you. I know a lot of you are in the first years, and I think you're here for a great journey ahead. But then to have ASM SOC, BITS Pilani, CHM College, Christ University, David Model Senior Secondary School, DGMC, Diksha, D.Y. Patil Dental. Wow, Dental College wants to have a dance. Please take care of our teeth. Eshwar Maha, Fazilani, GN Khalsa, Garden City, Guru Nanak Khalsa, HR College. Can I just say a special warm welcome to them? I've been the principal there and been with them for 25 years. So special welcome to you, HR. Hansraj College, Hinduja College, IGNU, IHM Ahmedabad, ITC, JD Birla Institute, Jain College, JDBI, KJ Somaya Medical College. I love the way the doctors and dentists are going to dance. They need to. Their curriculum is too heavy. KP Hinduja College, Commerce again, KC College, KC CEMSR, Khalsa College, SIES College, Maniban Nanavati Women's College, MIT, Mitibai College, NH Goel World School, Raipur. Oh wow, Raipur, welcome. NLEC, NIFT Bombay, NM College, NMIMS, PGCL, PIS, and of course, it goes on Stanford American International School, Singapore. Welcome, welcome, internationally welcome. Rajkumar College, Ramnarayan Ruya College, and SGND Khalsa College, SVIM, KMKCP. In case I missed out any names and wrongly spelled, please excuse me. Sophia's, Srimati CHM, the Alexandra Girls Institution, a favorite of mine, the Indian High School Dubai, and Tridha, University of Dhaka, welcome. Usha Praveen Gandhi, Whistling Woods International, Xavier's, and YCMOU, most welcome. 60 colleges, amazing. And I don't want to come in between you and the dancers, and a big thank you. As I've always said, I am so fortunate that I have students in every field of life. If Shamak was not there today, I don't think these classes would have been there. He was my student at Sydenham College, and I'm very proud of him, and I'm so happy that he has done so well, and all the best to you for this. But before that, let me thank Tejas and Ananya. Thank you. You're the ones who are going to be actually the instructors. So let the dance begin. Let the dance begin. Come on, go for it. We are all going to be in the mood to dance. Let the dance begin. Come. See the dance.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome our host for the evening, Ronit Agarwal.
अर्ज किया है, सुनिएगा, अर्ज किया है, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन वेलकम, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन वेलकम। मम्मी चाय में थोड़ी चीनी कम। ये अच्छा था, लिख लेते हैं, चाय में चीनी। अरे एक और है, सुनाता हूं, सुनिएगा। चलो शुरू करें द मोस्ट एंटरटेनिंग आवर ऑफ द डे। शुरू करें द मोस्ट एंटरटेनिंग आवर ऑफ द डे, बिकॉज दिस इज द बेस्ट बॉलीवुड वर्कशॉप इन बॉम्बे। आई नो आई एम टू गुड ना, गॉड्स गिफ्ट, गॉड्स गिफ्ट। एक आखिरी है, सुनिएगा, गौर फरमाइए। भाइयों बहनों और उनके दोस्त, भाइयों बहनों और उनके दोस्त, फॉर टुडे आई विल बी योर होस्ट। आई नो
ना टूटे तू आजा।
कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना। कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना।
क्या मस्त नाचती हूँ यार मैं। वाह वाह। Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I'm Khushbu, your host for the day.
रुको रुको रुको, स्टेज इज़मी ने होस्टिंग के लिए बुलाया मुझको। स्टेज इज़मी ने होस्टिंग के लिए बुलाया मुझको। तुम कौन हो? प्लीज यहां से घिसको।
Excuse me. You want me to kisko? You want me to kisko? It's the time to discuss. So now, let me tell you why we're here today. Welcome to the Bollywood Workshop presented to you by SDIPA and Stage. SDIPA is the Shamak Dawa Institute of Performing Arts. And if you don't know what Stage is, Google the best cultural club in Mumbai. Stage stands for the Society for Talent, Generation and Entertainment. Welcome back to another धमाकेदार Bollywood Workshop.
तुमने चुरा लिए मेरे सारे डायलॉग। तुमने चुरा लिए मेरे सारे डायलॉग। अब तुम ही डिसाइड करो कौन है होस्ट। भाई लोग,
होस्ट मैं हूँ, स्क्रिप्ट इधर है।
होस्ट मैं हूँ, स्क्रिप्ट इधर है।
अरे होस्ट मैं हूँ, स्क्रिप्ट इधर है।
रुको, लेट्स डिसाइड बाय सम रूल्स एंड रेगुल। अरे रूल से याद आया, लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट अस फूल्स एंड गेट डाउन टू सम रूल्स। केवल 4 रूल है। पहला, हमेशा अपना वीडियो ऑन रखिए। दूसरा, हमेशा अपना ऑडियो ऑफ रखिए। तीसरा, हमेशा नहीं, हमेशा से शुरू नहीं होगा। तीसरा रूल ये है, अगर आपको कोई संकेत है, हाँ बोरी वाली लोगों को समझ गया होगा, बट फॉर द सोबो पीपल संकेत मीन्स डाउट। अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो वो अपना वर्चुअल हैंड रेज कर सकता है। हमारे इंस्ट्रक्टर्स आपका डाउट क्लियर कर देंगे। और आपका चौथा रूल ये है कि ऑलवेज स्टे हाइड्रेटेड। 1 second. I'm ready.
Now, without any further delay, let's call upon our instructors. Welcome Miss Ananya Bera. Ananya has been a part of the Shamak Davar Institute for over 11 years, where she's taught thousands of students in Mumbai and Delhi. She has performed at the most glamorous events like the IFA Awards, the Star Parivar Awards, and she has trained and performed with a number of Bollywood stars like Shah Rukh Khan, Madhuri Dixit, Vicky Kaushal, Moni Roy, and more. Please welcome Miss Ananya Bera.
बिल्लोड़ी तेरा लाल ककरा बिल्लोड़ी तेरा लाल ककरा बिल्लोड़ी तेरा लाल ककरा
Now, let me introduce to you Mr. Tejas Patil. He is one of the finest contemporary dancers at SDIPA. He has traveled across the country to perform and teach thousands of students. He was part of the dance reality show Dance Premier League and a runner-up for the same. He has trained many Bollywood stars, including the legend Amitabh Bachchan. Yes. He also holds a distinction in ballet from the Royal Academy of Dance, London. He has performed in many films, choreographed by Shamak Davar. He has also been part of many award shows, including IFA Awards, Filmfare Awards, Femina Miss India, and many more. Welcoming Mr. Tejas Patil.
तेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू ये है मेरा वाला डांस तो नाचू ये है मेरा वाला डांस
Introducing to you the Bollywood Workshop by SCIPA and Stage. Over to you, instructors.
Wow, that was lovely. I could never believe that we could host a show like this online. It's lovely. It's superbly done. Okay, and I'm so excited to be here. I'm Tejas. Of course, they've introduced it so well, and I was feeling shy, but it was lovely. Okay, so I'm Tejas, and the other instructor is Ananya. Of course, we are from Shamaks. Okay, and today's class is going to be dhamakedar. It's Bollywood. Okay, and I'm going to make it as simple as possible for you all to understand. So it's going to be hilarious. Okay, so I'll just quickly tell you without wasting any time. Okay, the things that you need to remember while doing it. Okay, very simple. This is your right. This is your left. Okay, just remember that very quickly. Right or left. But if you go wrong in direction, that's also fine because there's no stage show as such. Okay, so you can go any direction. But this is my right and left. Are we clear? Perfect. And if you have any questions, like mentioned before, just put it up on the chat, and Ananya will help you out with the same. Cool, perfect. So let's not waste any time and let's begin the class. All right, perfect, great. Okay, so very simple. Just join your feet. Let me just adjust my camera a bit so you can see me clearly. You can see my feet as well. There you go. All right, perfect. Okay, so very simple. Okay, so this is first position. That's second position. I could see a few faces, those who have done Shamak's class before. So great, that helps. Okay, so first position, second. So just stand like this with your feet apart. Perfect. That's how we begin. Okay. Now the song's name is Holi Holi Giddu Vichina Chitti Pananda Panta Naja. That's the song. Holi Holi. That's the song. All right. The second position over here. Let's quickly start. So your hands are gonna go towards your right side. Your body goes with the hand. Push, push. And you shift your weight to the left side, stop over here. So you're gonna go, push, push, stop, push, push, stop. This happens twice, okay? Not more than that. Ready? So lyrically it goes that, holi, 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 ah. Okay, one more time. 5, let's try that. Let's try that one more time, okay? 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8 is like ready, steady, go. So you start after 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, holi, holi, stop. Holi, holi, stop. Are you getting it? Ananya, are they doing well?
Yes, everybody got it.
Perfect. Okay. Going ahead. So you finished here. So you finished hole, hole, ba, hole, hole, ah. Now from here, I'll teach you the hands first. Hands are going clap, clap, balle, balle. Clap, clap, balle, balle. Very simple. Okay, very simple. So legs are going, kicking your right leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's like you stomp your left at the same time right goes up. So going 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, simple. Let's try with the hand and the leg slowly. All right, so we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, this is Bhangra, Balle. Very simple. Okay, let's try it one more time. Hands are here. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, happening? Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Perfect. Okay, let's do it from the top slowly, then medium speed, then actual speed. Okay, let's try that. Here we go from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hole, hole, ah. Hole, hole, ah. Hole, hole, gidde vich nachdi bada. Okay, one more time. Now medium speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hole, 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 hole. Hole, hole, gidde vich nachdi bada. Now actual speed. Actual speed goes like hole, 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 gidde vich nachdi bada. That's the speed of it. All right. But of course, we'll do it slowly first for you to get it right. Okay, don't worry about that. I'll make sure that you get it. 5, 6, from the top. Ready? Action speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hole, 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 hole. Yeah? Happening?
Yes.
Yes? Can we try only this much to music first?
Yeah, let's
try
do
only this
that.
much to music first. Guys, it's Bollywood. So lot of nakhra, lot of acting. Lot of nakhra and acting. Have you got that? I can teach you the step, but the performance you add. Okay? Do a lot of nakhra and acting. Don't worry about the step. The step will happen. Okay? Let's go. And if you want, see it for the first time so you understand what the music is like, and then you can start. All right? I would prefer that you see it for the first time so you understand. Here we go. Did you hear that? Hole, 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 gidde vich da 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 da. Let's try it together to music. Here we go. Should I go ahead? Aage badhu?
Yes, you can, I think, but I think maybe once more. Once more.
I think let's try it one more. If there's a doubt, let's do it. Let's do it.
Now, few of them are only sitting and looking.
Going ahead, you finished here. Okay, now very simple. Right leg stomps forward 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. Okay, so from here you finish there. Right leg 3 times. 1, 2, 3. On the 4th one, you turn from your left because that's the easy one. Left. Okay, turn, stop. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th one is back here. Okay, just don't fall up. Be careful. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, fine. Now, very simple. Hands are doing right elbow forward. I'll just show it you sideways so you see the hand. Hand is going with the leg. 1, 2, 3, hand down, 4. So you're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the feeling is bhangra, so add a bit of bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Add a bit of bounce, alright? One last time. 5 and a 6 and a 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. How are we catching up? Happening?
Yes, 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 they are doing it.
Acha, I'm just doing it from the top for people who have come in later, maybe. From the top, slowly. So you're going hole, hole, ah, hole, hole, ah, hole, hole, gitte vich nachdi bana, jare rakda marodta jaave. That's how you finish. All right. Let's try. Medium speed. 5, 6, 7, 8. Hole, hole, gitte vich nachdi bana, boom, boom, boom. Yeah, I think you've got it. Can we try this to music? Let's try to music. Oh, Ananya, I can see you. Hi.
Hi.
Can you spotlight me? Perfect. Okay, let's go. Okay, to music from the top.
Put me on spotlight.
That's fine. I think someone.
हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलोनी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलोनी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जा
Okay, now let me also watch now. I'm playing the music. You do it on your own. I'm just scrolling so I can see few people. Okay, let's go.
No, dance now.
हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलोनी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जा
I could see Isha Soni. I don't know who's Isha and who's Soni, but that's fine. And Nidish, you can smile, yaar. I'm gonna make her also dance, huh? Come on. All right, great, perfect. Okay, great. Guys, doing good. Let's go ahead from there. Acha, the beginning part mein jo beginning ka baj raha hai, that Ananya will teach. Have you got that later on? So I'll just quickly finish this part and then you'll see Ananya. And again, I'll come back again to teach the next part after that. All right, so let's go ahead from there. Acha, very important. If you feel thirsty, just drink water. Don't wait. If you want to go to the washroom, just go. Don't wait. Have you got that? Yeah.
But come back.
Yeah, of course come back. Okay, yeah. So when you finish, there. Now, hands are going again. Hole, hole, but it continues. The chorus continues. So you're going, stop. So hands up, stop, up, stop, up. Very simple. Legs is the complicated part. So going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Which leg comes up first? Left. And you go to your right first. See, everything is right first. Go to your right. Ready? With the hands slowly. And hole, hole, gitte, nachdi bada, actually, I think you are dance quite well. So just let me make it a little more interesting. Okay, so you're gonna go 1, 2, roll up. 1, 2, roll up. Got it? So up, roll, balle, push, roll, balle. We do that twice. Okay, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push, roll, balle, push, roll, balle. Happening?
Yes.
Mind blowing. Okay, let's just do it once without music from the top for memory, and then we'll play music. Ready? There we go. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Hole, gitte vich nach but tera lak da marodta ja. Hey, hole, gitte vich nach badloni da marodta ja. Hey. That's how it goes. Let's do it from the top. Here we go to music.
हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलोनी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जा हौली 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 किसे विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक नाम रोड़ा खा जा हौली हौली नच बदलो नी तेरा लक नाम रोड़ा खा जा हौली 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 किसे विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक नाम रोड़ा खा जा drop it look
Let me see it. Let's do it one more time. Let me
हौली 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 किसे विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक नाम रोड़ा खा जा drop it lower man
We'll come to that part. We'll come to that part. All right. So one more step, and then we'll add Ananya on. All right. To teach the beginning part. So you finished here. Now the legs are gonna go. Right leg goes forward. Forward. That's right. Dancing here, then coming backwards, and again dance away. Have you got that? Perfect. Clear? That's what the legs are doing. Hands are going from here. Hands are going shoulder. So pushing your right shoulder forward and just come closer, you can see better. Here, shoulder. Yeah, it's just a jhatka. Boom, boom. Perfect. It's like pushing. If you've ever been in trains in Mumbai, it's like that. You have to, it's like that. Okay, here. So push, push. Got it? Clear? So push, push. Hand up. Balle, balle. Push, push. Balle, balle. That is what the hands are doing. Very simple. All right? So from here, going ahead. See, watch it. So you finished here. 5, 6, 7, 8. Push and push. Balle, balle. Push and push. Balle, balle. Try and stomp your right leg every time. That should do balle. All right. Now this is a very chilled out step. So you can add your own style. Okay. You can do your head. You can do your shoulder extra. You can do your hip. Up to you. Okay. That's your freedom. Move whatever you want. Okay. With the hand. Clear? Let's try that. Here we go. So from here and 5, 6, 7, 8. Push and push, balle, balle, push and push, balle, balle. I think you got it.
Yes, but they want to do it one more time. Tejas, can you repeat? Yes.
Yes, 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 yes. So you finished. Roll, balle. So your right leg is already up. So you're going to go forward. Push and a push. And a balle, balle. Coming back. Push and push. Balle, balle. Mind blowing. Let's only this step a little faster. 5 and 6 and 5 and 6 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Push and push. Balle, balle. Push and push. Balle, balle. Happening?
Yes.
Can we try to music?
Can you recap once from the beginning? They are saying once recap, then with music.
Yep. Let's try to music. Let's try with the music from the top. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Hole up. Hole on. Hole gidde vich nach badlo ni te lakke tama road ta ja way hole gidde vich ba lakke ta ja way hole gidde vich tera lakke tama road ta. Perfect. Okay, let's add one more thing because I can see people getting it. So let's add little more stuff. So you went forward forward, balle, balle, back, side. Now don't do balle again. Okay? Now I'm teaching you 2 variations. One for boys, one for girls. So you finished back, you finished forward, balle, balle, back, back. Girls are gonna go left hand on the waist. Yeah. Baby. That's what the girls are gonna do. If boys want to do that, you're free to do it. Huh? No, it's extra. Okay? You can also do it. Okay? So you finished here. You finished here. Lyrics go. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Okay? Boys go. Yeah, baby. Got it? Okay? Clear? So lyrically, I'm going. Banana, balle, balle, back, back. baby. Boys go. Yeah, baby. Happening? Clear?
Yes,
Ananya?
yes.
Mind blowing. Let's do it from the beginning to music now. Ready? Here we
I
go.
perform.
ਹੌਲੀ 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 ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ yeah baby you like to drop it low man जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना ले तू रहना जरा बच्चे में आई तेरे लिए देख सज धज के चलना दिया नच के ले तू रहना जरा बच्चे मेरी तू की सपना लगा हौली 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 किसे ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ yeah baby you like to drop it low man
I think I've got it. Let's dance it 2 more times.
Yes,
Only y'all without
definitely.
my help. Sorry, Anya.
2 more times, for sure. For sure.
Yes,
2 more
sure.
times.
Yes, let's see. I need to see more people. Come on, let's go. Ready?
ਹੌਲੀ 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 ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ yeah baby you like to drop it low man
Not bad at all. Good, Varun, Sheetal. Good.
ਹੌਲੀ 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 ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ yeah baby you like to drop it low man
Not bad at all, guys. Rocking. Actually, let's do it one more time for stamina. I love this name, Labdi. Lovely. What a name. Let's do it one more time.
ਹੌਲੀ 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 ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਸੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋਣੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾਦਾ yeah baby you like to drop it low
Stunning energy, yeah. Stunning energy. Very good. Very nice, Siddhant. Very good. Very good. I wish I could see all 200, 300 people. Khushbu, you're also killing it. The hosts are killing it. Okay, lovely. Okay, I'll pass it on to Ananya. All right, and she'll be teaching you the beginning part. If you want to sip water, quickly sip water. Okay?
Quickly sip water and then we are starting in exactly like 3 seconds. Everybody can see me properly. Just show me thumbs up. Yes, perfect. So the lyrics is I'm thodi naughty, so something. Okay, so I'm very bad with lyrics. Just go with the music, but there's something about I am naughty. Okay, so girls and boys both can do this. Okay, just become naughty today. Yeah. So what you're gonna do is hands are going cross, out, up, down. That's it. So it's cross, out, up, down. Okay, you have to exactly copy me. I will not tell you which is my right, which is my left. Just follow. It's mirrored. Okay, so you're gonna go cross, tha, up, down. So what are my legs going? Heel, heel, tha, plie. That's it. Okay, so what am I doing? Twist, twist on the toes and bend down. So it goes boom, boom, tha, tha. So it's fast. 1 and 2 and. That's it. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and. So when you're crossing, that's the time you're going on this side, which is your right. Boom, boom. Left, go up and bend down. That's it. So it's 1 and 2 and. That fast. 5, 5, 6, 7, go. Cross and up, down. Got it? Now only I can see everybody's jumping like that. This is happening or no? Yes,
Yes, it's happening.
Happening. Okay, last time. 5, 6, 7, go. Boom, boom, ta, ta. Okay, from there you're gonna hit your hip. Hit. So right side, left side. That's it. Okay, so it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Little faster. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now, boys, you go more manly and stronger. Girls, use your hips. Make it more wavy and girly and sexy. Okay, let's go. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Very good. Last time. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Very good. Show me thumbs up if you're girl. Perfect. I can see all thumbs up. Now from there, we're gonna go on our right side. Call here. So from the up, boom, ta. Now what are my body is doing? Watch. I am going out, in. So I'm dragging my left leg. Okay, and I'm jumping on my right leg. But not jump. Little bit, just transferring your weight to the right. So you're going boom, in. Okay, 5, 6, 7. Go. Pull together. Now really pull. Move it. Move your body and drag your leg. 5, 6, 7. Go. Drag together. Very good. Let's try from the beginning slowly, then fast. 5, 6, 7. Go. Cross. Out. Up. Down. Hit. Drag together. Very nice. So let's try a little faster. 5, 6, 7. Go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6. Now this is 2 counts. Okay. 5, 6. From there, I'm going to carry on and then we will try. Okay. So 5, 6. From there, you're going to go forward with your left leg and left hand. Imagine you're wearing a jacket. So you're going to go jacket, in. So both the hands are going where the jacket, in. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, go. Wear the jacket, in. So I'm stepping my left leg out, boom, ha. Very strong, okay? So let's try 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Understood? Any queries? Anything, you can write it.
All good. If you can just do it one more time slowly.
Yes.
Okay, one more time slowly.
5, 6, 7, go. I'm a bad girl who may thodi naughty. Na, something. Please clap for my singing, guys. I'm fabulous. Okay, let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. I'm a bad girl who may thodi naughty. Na. Happen. Let's try a little faster. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Fabulous. Should we try with music this much or should I carry on? Come on. I think we should try with the music. So you will understand how fast it is actually. Okay, so let's go. Music. Yes, they're writing music. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
Yeah, is it audible?
Yes, it's audible.
Yes. Okay. So first there is 2 bars of music. You can freak out, you can do anything, and then we're gonna start. So first time, if you want, you can watch it, okay? I think y'all can't hear, no? There's something happening, na?
Do you want me to play?
Yeah, if you can play, just play, no? I think they
Okay.
can't hear.
Okay, fine.
properly.
I'll play.
Yeah.
Ready? Here we go. but there's a
when
slight,
is it starting?
There's a slight lag, but you start when the lyrics start. Okay, just so
Yes.
that everyone understands. You start when the lyrics start. Because of the internet connection and stuff, you might feel there's a slight delay in the audio and the video. Okay, but you start when the lyrics start. All right.
Let
And
me
Ananya, I
try
think I'll
once.
play later on. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Just try it once. If it plays, then great. This is fine. This is fine.
Understood? Did you see it now? Yes, yes. Let's go one more time. One more time. Let's go. Let's just dance it 2-3 times. Then I'm going to teach you ahead. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Got it? Got it?
Yes,
Musically it was
perfect.
fine.
Great, all good. You can go ahead.
Okay, so we finished jacket in. From there, we're gonna go on our left side, but diagonal. So watch it. We're gonna go diagonal, diagonal. So first we are going on our left diagonal, then we are going on our right diagonal. Hands, okay, so come closer to the camera. I can see your pretty faces. So come closer. So what you're gonna do is around the head, close, out. So these are called fisted hands, okay? Like how you say punch hand, same way. So around the head, in, out. Same way, around the head, in, out. These are the hands. So boom, ta, ta, boom, ta, ta. Okay, now legs are going step together, out, step together, out. So I'm stepping my left leg, step, get your right leg together, finish the step, then again step your right leg, get your left leg together. That's simple, but only thing is the speed. Okay, so it is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Imagine you're opening the door and closing it. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Over the head, open, close, over the head, open, close. Now girls, don't go straight like a boy. Okay, you have to use your hips. Use your hips. Look hot, sexy at the same time. Okay, so let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Boom, ta, ta, in, boom, ta, in. Now the speed is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Again, 5, 6, 7, go. Step and open, close, step and open, close. Very good. I can see Ronit. Fabulous. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now, Ronit, use a body wave also. Come on. Add your own style. It's Bollywood. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Perfect. Let's try from the beginning. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Understood? So the lyrics are, I'm a bad girl, हूँ मैं थोड़ी naughty, na 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 na. शर्मा न सीखा मैंने ना जरा भी. Understood? So this is शर्मा न सीखा मैंने ना जरा भी. Let's go. 5 from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and hip, hip. 5, 6, 7, 8. Sharmana. Boom, 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 boom. Aya, itna aya. Come on, show me your smiley faces. Very good, very good. I can see girls and boys. Very nice. Let's go with the music. So I'm going to give you 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go. Is it too fast? I think y'all have killer.
I think it's fine. It's fine. Just do it 2 more times to music. They'll be fine.
Let's
It's lagging
go.
a bit.
One
That's
more.
why it's lagging a bit. And sometimes the music goes because of network and stuff like. Just do it 2 more times.
Okay, okay. I'm just playing. Okay, so let me see you all once and then I'm gonna dance again. Okay, so let's go. I know, Baba. Now, y'all have to understand by now, 5 months. Okay, y'all have used Zoom. There is something called as lagging. We all know. Okay, so that's a part of our life now. Let's just dance it. Come. Okay. 5, 6, 7, go. Wow, wow, wow. One more time, I'm going to see the next page now. Let's go. Ronit, don't sit. You are not allowed to sit. You dance throughout. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, go. Fabulous, fabulous, fabulous. Now the music was okay, much better.
Absolutely fine. Perfect. You can go ahead.
Okay, let's go. So we finished Sharmana, boom, boom, boom. Now our favorite part, okay? Whoever is under 18, don't listen. It's about drinking. So you drink milk. Above 18 people, we can think of drinking something else. So party time. So what we're going to do, open, close. Now you're going to step your left leg, boom. Right leg comes together, then step your right leg, left leg comes together. Okay, so you're going to go step in, step in, step in, step in. But it is super fast. Okay, so it goes 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, so boom, 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 boom. Yeah, 5, 6, 7, go. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. Now, can I give you one advance? It's not advanced. I just feel that y'all can do it. Okay, so try this step. Okay, now the second option. So you're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so drink, drink, ta-da-da. So what am I doing? I'm going drink, ta, ta, sit. Yeah, so I'm breaking my body and I'm sitting. Yeah, so it's like an upper body wave, but only till your hips. Okay, so boom, boom, boom. So, Pili Hezarasti. Okay, so this is Sharmana Sikha Mene Nazarabi Nana Tori Hana Pili Hezarasi. Something Pili. Okay, yes, so let's do it slowly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and from there 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ta ta ta. Okay, yes, 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 got it, got it, got it. From there, okay, this one was easy. Ta da da. From there, you're gonna lift your left leg, lift and out. So we are going call, call. So call, call. So what, this is my right hand, left hand. So opposite hand, opposite leg. 5, 6, 7, go. Boom, boom. Okay, perfect. So slowly, let's do it from the beginning with the song. Okay, I am singing. Please bear it with me. 5, 6, 7, go. I'm a bad girl who met very naughty. Na 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 na. शर्माना सीखा मैंने नजरा भी. Too much थोड़ी पीली है जरा भी. नी मैं आई तेरे लिए. Yes, ली मैं आई तेरे लिए. Okay, so 1 and 2. So if you feel the leg going out is too much for you, you can still keep it in place. Keep. Just do this. Okay, so up, up, and hands are going right, left. 5, 6, 7, go. Right, left. From there, last step, and then we're gonna dance with the music. So you're gonna go da 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 da. Okay, run, run. Li mein aayi tere liye, saj dhaj ke. Very good. As if dolly, dolly, that same feeling. Okay, boys and girls, just think you're running. 5, 6, 7. Li mein aayi tere liye, saj dhaj ke. 5, 6, 7, go. Li mein aayi tere liye, saj dhaj ke. So let's try from here. 5, 6, 7, go. Sharma na sikha maine na zara bhi. Too much thodi pili hai na li mein aayi tere liye, saj dhaj ke. Fabulous. Let's try with the music. Ready, ready, ready. Okay, Jitendra, Jinendra, you want to share the audio?
Yeah,
Okay,
if you all are
let's do
comfortable
that.
with it.
Okay, let's do that. Yeah, yeah.
Fine, fine.
Okay, fine.
Okay. So
So now I'll not give you all 5, 6, 7, 8 or else it will lag. So listen to the music after 2 bars start. Let's go. Play.
I'm a bad girl who was pretty naughty. Made a been a peaky peaky head of party. Shadow man, I see come in as a lappy. What the what the thodi pili hai batari ni main aayi tere liye dekh saj dhaj ke. Kanna ni aag mat nak nak ke.
Yes. Happened. Tejas, you saw? Happening. Okay, let's
Happening,
go.
happening.
Dance without me once. Play one more time.
I'm a bad girl who was pretty naughty. Made a been a peaky peaky head of party. Shadow man, I see come in as a lappy. What the what the thodi pili hai batari ni main aayi tere liye dekh saj dhaj ke. Kanna ni aag mat nak nak ke. Munde dure na zara.
Okay, now what is this leg? You all are kicking somebody. Put the leg up. Don't kick your next person who is standing next to you. It's up, up. Okay, I'm going to carry on. Should I carry on? If carry on, give me thumbs up. Yes, perfect. 100 thumbs up I've got. So, li mein aayi tere liye, saj dhaj ke. Stay, saj dhaj ke. From there, we're going to go back. Okay, so learn the hands. My right hand is forward and left hand is on the chest. It is going drag, head, drag, head. So it is boom, ta, and we are doing something called as flicking. So flick your right leg in the front. Okay, so you're gonna go flick, 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 flick 4 times. So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So from call, run, flick up. Yes, happening. Very good. I can see.
Perfect.
I can see happening. Okay. Last time. One more time. 5 from li mein aayi tere liye. 5, 6, 7, go. Li mein aayi tere liye. Saj dhaj ke. Na. Bach ke. Very good. This was easy. I'm going to carry on. So, ta da da. From there, mundeya ture nazara bach ke. So after you finish this, okay, now hit your right leg. Now this the boys definitely should do it with a lot of power. So haya, boom. Now mucho pe tao lagao, ta. Okay, so full bhangra feel has to come. So boom, ta. So what am I doing? Pick your right leg, left leg, right leg, left leg, and you're gonna bounce also. So boom, ha, ta. Hands are going. Hit the thighs. Mucho pe tao. Very good. Even if you don't have mooch, feel you have one. 5, 6, 7, go. Ta. Boom. Very good. Slowly. Li mein aayi tere liye. Saj dhaj ke. Na. Ta da. Mundeya nure nazara bach ke. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Li mein aayi tere liye. Saj dhaj ke. Ta da. Boom. Ta. Happening. Now
Perfect.
let's try.
You can
Yes.
finish the last 4 counts as well and then go over from the top slowly.
Yeah, I will do that. So you don't want me to play music now, right?
Only 4 more counts left.
Yes, okay, I'll teach that. So let's go slowly from the beginning and then we're gonna finish the last 4 counts. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. शर्मा न सीखा मैंने नजर अभी too much थोड़ी पीली है जरा सी आई तेरे लिए सज धज के मुंडिया तू रहना डा 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 boom boom. Stay up, stay up, stay up. So which leg is up and which hand? Left hand, left leg. Now from there, you're gonna keep it down. And now hit the thumka. Okay, boys, you can go pull, pull. Boys ke liye I'm showing. So boys will go pull, pull to go boom up. That's it. Now girls will go left hand up, right hand on the hip. You're gonna go ta, ta. So thumke kala na 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 na. That's it. So what am I doing? My body is going from left to right. So for boys, it is pull, pull, ta-da. For girls, it is hit, hit, ta-da. So use your hips properly. Yes? Let's go from the beginning till here. And after this comes hurry, 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 hurry. Na 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 na. Yaad hai na sabko? Ta-da. याद है ना सबको very good. So let's do from the beginning. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Drink, drink, wave it down. Call, call, run, run, run. Pull, flick, flick, flick. Boy, boy, down, ta, from there, tumke laga ta-da, holly, 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 holly. Yeah, happening, happening, happening. Yes, so let's try only this first part, then we're gonna join the chorus. Okay, Jinendra, you wanna play the music?
Yeah.
Let's go. Expressions, don't forget.
Only the girls part.
Yay! Good, good,
That's
good, good, good.
I think 2 more times. I think 2 more times. 2 more times.
Only the first part. Let's go.
Only
Play.
the first part. One more time. I think 2 more times. They're just getting the hang of it right now. Let's do it 2 more times.
I'm gonna watch you now. Let's go. I'm gonna do the hands.
Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Very good, very good. Tejas, you saw?
Absolutely, they're phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
I think let's see now the beginning part. Breathe first. Breathe first. Breathe the beginning part into Holly Holly.
So while you're breathing, you can watch me. So I will go over it. So you go Holly Holly dum, Holly Holly dum, Holly Holly. Sorry, Holly Holly na 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 na. Nak na 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 jave. Na 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 roll and balle. Na 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 roll and balle. Da balle balle da da. Girls do the hips. Boys will do what? Boys,
Hit the
show me
thigh.
some boy. Ronit will show me. Wait. Put Ronit on spotlight. Ronit, show what the boys will do. क्या हो गया?
Chorus.
कोई नहीं. Very good,
It's
very
okay,
good.
it's
Later
okay.
on I'll see. Okay, so remember, yeah, everybody, you even boys can also do this, or y'all can do your baby, anything, or your baby. This was the step. So anything y'all can do. Okay. So Tejas, you want me to do it from the beginning till here?
Yeah, they can do it once from the top.
Yeah, till here.
Full
Not
top, can you do it? Okay, can you do? I don't know. Let's see. I'm just seeing editing skills. Right now, in the beginning part, can you all show Ananya doing the beginning part, and can you switch to me doing the Holly Holly? Is that possible?
yeah, it's just a changing of spotlight.
Who will change it? Can you all change it? Can
Yeah,
can
Jinesh.
yeah,
on
we'll do
the-
it. Yes, we'll do it.
Perfect, great, mind blowing. Let's try it. Let's try.
So thumke lagaya fire. Not now. Put me now.
Pehle Ananya, first Ananya.
So
Let's
Jinendra,
go.
after I do that, thumke lagaya na 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 change to Tejas. Perfect. Put back on me. Let's go. Play music.
I'm a bad girl who was pretty naughty. Made a little freaky freaky head party. शर्माना सीखा मैंने दस लाख भी. वो तो आज थोड़ी पीरी है बताई नहीं मैं. आई तेरे लिए देख सज धज के. कितना नहीं आज मत नच नच के. मुंडे तोरे नजारा बच्चे बच्चे के चीने रे तुम के कपाल लगा ना वे.
हौली 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 किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक नाम रोड़ा खा जा. हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक नाम रोड़ा खा जा. हौली हौली किते विच नच. Till I should drop it low, man.
Lovely. That was superb timing. Very good, guys. Very good. Very good. Perfect. Okay, should I go ahead, or would you like to do it one more time? I know it's lagging a bit, but I'm sure because of a singing and stuff like that, you know lyrically what's happening. So you don't have to go with the video. You know lyrically what's happening afterward. I think let's do it. Let's do it
Once
two
more.
more times from the beginning. Okay,
Yeah.
and then we'll go ahead with the Jab Bhi Koi Ladki Dekhu. We'll go with that part. All right, let's do it one. Beginning. Back to Ananya.
I'm a bad girl who was pretty naughty. Made a little freaky freaky head party. शर्माना सीखा मैंने दस लाख भी. वो तो आज थोड़ी पीरी है बताई नहीं मैं. आई तेरे लिए देख सज धज के. कितना नहीं आज मत नच नच के. मुंडे तोरे नजारा बच्चे बच्चे के चीने रे तुम के कपाल लगा ना वे.
हौली 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 किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक नाम रोड़ा खा जा. हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक नाम रोड़ा खा जा. हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक नाम रोड़ा खा जा. Till I should drop it low, man.
Perfect. Okay, going ahead from there. All right. Okay, quickly, if you want to sip water, just take 30 seconds. Sip some water. Ma'am, please tell the step on Sach Dhaj Ke again. Ananya.
Oh, yes. Put the spotlight on me. Yes. So Sajdat ki is just running. Ghoda chala rahe ho. So right hand in the front, left hand on top, and you're gonna go da da da. 3 steps. So boom boom boom. Left, right, left. That's it. Simple. Sajdat ke. Yes. Fabulous.
Perfect. All right. So going ahead now, the lyrics go. Okay, can I be on spot? Yeah, perfect. Thank you. The lyrics go. We like to drop it lower, man. Okay. Now the movement is anything of your choice. Okay, but it has to go. We like to drop it lower, man. Oh, we like to drop it lower, man. Whatever you want, freestyle, your thing. But it has to be. We like to drop it lower, man. So 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you finished. Yeah, baby. Oh, Yeah, baby. It can be anything. We like to drop it low for the girls. For the guys, it can. We like to drop it low, man. Anything of your choice. Got it? Going ahead. You finish. We like to drop it lower, man. You step your right leg out. You're gonna go look right, look left. Keep your left hand there. Just move your body away and get it back in. So right, left, look away, in. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, look away, in. Very simple. From there, you keep your hand there. Right hand goes up. You step your right leg forward with your hands going crazy. So lyrically, जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना. Turn again. Bole. You turn on bole. Ready? Okay. So we finished. We like to drop it low, man. जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना. Bole. Are we clear till here?
Yes, yes.
Perfect. Mind blowing. Okay. From there, hands are going. Movie step. Okay. Ole, 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 ole. So right, left, right, left. Clear? Okay. Okay. So ole, 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 ole. This is all taxi. We've kept it simpler, and the chorus is actually supposed to be simple, and it's a movie step, so you can enjoy. Okay, because the beginning part is all dancey. Okay, so towards the end you're so enjoy. I've got that and perform. Clear? So I'm going over from we like to drop it lower, man. So you finish 7. Yeah, baby. We like to drop it lower, man. जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना. Bole, ole, 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 ole. Okay, should I go ahead?
Yeah, Tejas, they can't see your feet. If you can adjust the camera.
You can't see my feet? The feet, okay, sure. Wait 1 second, let me do this adjustment. Let's see if that works. Let's see if that works. I'll go.
That's like too low.
रुक जा. अभी दिख रहा है? Perfect.
Full.
Okay, so you're going ole, 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 ole. Okay? Got that? That's what the legs are doing. Very simple. Okay? One more time. 5. Finish here. 5, 6, 7, 8. We like to drop it lower, man. जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना. Bole, ole, 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 ole. Got that?
Yes, yes,
Got
yes.
that? I'm going
Carry
ahead.
on.
It's very simple. Yeah? From there, you go right hand. नहीं, ये नहीं है. अभी क्या? गाँव तराना. Perfect. You finished here. Okay? So now, again, movie step. Legs are going. 1, right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it in place. If you have space, go. I don't. Okay, so I'm doing it in place. But if you have space, go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got that? Clear? So I finished here. So my hands are gonna go flick, 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 flick. Semicircle. Right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? With the leg, it goes like I finished here. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Happening?
Yes.
Perfect. Okay, finished here, finished here, finished here, finished here. Now this is the best step. Okay, hands up. Hands up over here. You're gonna go zoom, zoom ke pelvic roll. Zoom, zoom ke right leg forward. Hole, hole. Okay, one more time. Zoom. Now you can move your pelvic in whichever direction. Okay, wherever you feel more positive, move from there. Okay. Zoom, zoom ke hole, hole. Clear? Okay, I'm going over from we like to drop it lower, man. It's very simple. Okay, that's why I'm doing it fast. Here we go. Okay, so 7, 8. We like to drop it lower, man. जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना. Bole, ole, 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 ole. Aga utarana yara, jhoom jhoom ke hole hole. Repeat. Ole, 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 ole. Okay, repeat the step. Have you got that? Don't do this step. I'll teach you that. Got that? Okay. Yeah. Let's try. Let's try one more time. From we like to drop it lower, man. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. We like to drop it lower, man. जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले ओले 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 आगा उतराना यारा झूम झूम के होले होले ओले 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 बस only once second time do it only once. Are we getting it?
Yes.
Yeah? Music पे try करें.
Yeah, let's do it with the music.
Let's go.
Jinendra will play.
Yeah. Okay.
हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जा Till I should drop it low man मेरा दिल दीवाना है ओले 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 नाम कराना यारा झूम झूम के हाले हाले
Yeah.
Very good.
One more time. हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जा Till I should drop it low man मेरा दिल दीवाना है ओले 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 नाम कराना यारा झूम झूम के हाले हाले Happening? Is it happening?
Yes. I think
One
you can
more
finish
time.
the last time. Last step, you can
I'm
finish
finishing
it.
the last step now. Let's finish the last step as well. Now the last step is ole 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 pose. Now I teach you ole ole ole. Pose is your choice. You can pose anyhow. Just make sure that your pose is 1 count, not 10 counts. Got that? Okay. So the step is gonna be. You finished here. Step is gonna be 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So right, left, right, pelvic. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ole, ole, ole. Now you can strike your own pose, whatever. Boom, or boom, or boom, or boom, or boom, but not boom. It's 1 count. Got it? Okay, so the last one is ole, 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 boom. Pose. Any pose. Okay, it can be boom, anything of your choice. Got that? But 1 count pose. Just don't break your knees. Okay, be careful. Got that? Yeah? Great?
Let's
Any
go.
questions? Any
No.
questions?
Yeah.
क्या या?
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Fine. तो एक काम करो, थोड़ा है ना हौले हौले के आगे से बजाओ to where this part starts.
Okay, cool. Got it.
Okay, from there. So we can do this end part only. Then we'll go from the top.
Cool.
Full part. Yeah.
1 second.
Till I should drop it low man
Yeah. Getting it?
Yes,
Very-
I think 2-3 times.
I think 2-3 times. Let's do 2 times. The third time, beginning. Let's go.
Yes.
Bajao.
Till I should drop it low man
Very good,
Okay.
very good.
Okay, wait. Let's do it this way. This time, dance it, but this time, no power. Your full focus is only on performance and remembering. So don't put any power. Save your energy. Save your energy and focus only on performing and memory. के इसके बाद क्या है, like that. So don't waste any energy because we're going to do it from the top. Okay, after this. Got that? Okay, so this time relax and enjoy it. Okay, and remember it. That's it. Clear? Let's go. Yeah, here we go.
3, 2, 1.
Feel I should drop it low, man.
Perfect. Now I think everybody's remembered. So now let's try from beginning. I can't imagine we've learned so much in an hour. It's like a minute or something. That's really good. That's really applauded. Okay, really good. Okay, so let's try it from beginning. Okay, you want to just go once to me without music? एक बार go करें फटाफट.
हाँ.
Okay, perfect. Let's do that. So quickly, Ananya, come on, spotlight. Do your beginning part, and Holly say I'll take over. Slowly, without music. Let's go.
Okay, put me on spotlight now.
Yeah,
I'm
you already.
on spotlight.
You are.
Okay, perfect. So the first 1, 2 bars music, and after that you're gonna go cross, out, up, down, hit, hit.
Sorry, Ananya, can you sing it? Can you sing it so that if there is a lag, they know के words पे
Oh,
ये
okay.
आता है.
Guys, I will
Even if
just
it's bad
stumble
lyrics, that's
around the
fine.
words, but remember this is something, okay? So I'm a bad girl who मैं थोड़ी naughty, na 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 na. शर्मा न सीखा मैंने ना जरा भी, too much पीली है जरा सी मैं आई तेरे लिए सज धज के, ना 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 नज नज के, मुंडिया नुराना दारा बच बच के, ठुमके लगाए रफा. Understood? I just sang something wrong, but this is the gist of the music, okay? Remember, last time I'm gonna go and then we'll Tejas will continue. So 5, 6, 7, go. I'm a bad girl who मैं थोड़ी naughty, na 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 na. शर्मा न सीखा मैंने ना जरा भी, too much थोड़ी पीली है जरा भी मैं आई तेरे लिए सज धज के, ना 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 नज रज के, मुंडिया नुराना जरा बच बच के, ठुमके ना 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 ना. Yes, fabulous. From there, Tejas.
From there, and Holly ah, Holly ah, Holly किदे बिच नचदी बनाने डाले लगता मरोहता जावे. Holly किदे बिच नचदी बनाने लगता मरोहता जावे. Holly किदे बिच नचदी बनाने लगता मरोहता. Yeah, baby, we like to drop it low, man. जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले ओले 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 आगा उतराना यारा झूम झूम के होले होले ओले 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 and pose. Perfect. I think we are set to do it from the beginning. If you want, you can see it, the whole thing, or if you want, you can do it with us. Your choice. All right. But first beginning part Ananya is doing, and then the rest I'm doing. All right.
Perfect.
Can you do it?
So
Ma'am, can we do
Jinendra
it
will
one more
change.
time slowly? Oh, they're requesting to do it slowly one more time.
Okay,
Can you do it one more
slowly.
time slowly? Let's do it one
Yes.
more time slowly. Chalo, theek hai.
Okay, I am on spotlight, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
yes.
Perfect. So slowly, once 5, 6, 7, go. I'm a bad girl who मैं थोड़ी naughty, na 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 na. शर्मा न सीखा मैंने ना जरा भी, too much थोड़ी पीली है जरा नी मैं आई तेरे लिए सज धज के, na 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 na. Mundiya nurdana zana bach ke. Thumke na 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 na.
Holly,
Yes.
Holly, Holly,
Holly,
Holly,
Holly.
Holly, Holly, get the natty banana, the Marolita, Jack. Way, Holly, Holly, get the bitch natty banana, Lucky Tamarolita, Jack. Way, Holly, Holly, get the natty banana, Lucky Tamarolita. Yeah, baby, we like to drop it low, man. जब भी कोई लड़की देखूं मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले ओले 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 ले आगाऊ तेराना या झूम झूम के होले होले ओले 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 boom pose. I think that's sorted. Can we do it to music from the top?
Let's go.
So if you want to see it, you can see it. And then you can do it with us or you can just do it with us. All right? And we are doing it once. Okay? And then next time onwards, we'll be seeing few of you all. All right? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Play.
हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जावे हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जावे हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जावे Till I should drop it low man
I think you'll have got it. And let's just do it y'all on your own 2 times and then we'll just see a few people. All right?
Let's
Here
go.
we go. Baja. Can you?
So what we will do, Tejas, so when they're dancing 2 times, I'll change the spotlight. I'll change the spotlight when they're dancing. So I'll change the
please,
spotlight,
please,
it
do that,
can
do that.
come
Great,
to
great.
anyone. Okay?
Hey guys, don't stop, huh? If it comes on you.
It's okay, it's okay. Chalo, let's go.
Okay.
हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जावे हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जावे हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खा जावे Till I should drop it low man
Pranav.
ये क्या हो गया?
The Pranav brothers were best. Yay!
Lovely. ये क्या हो गया? No worries. It's okay, guys. We all feel scared like that. That's fine. You just have to go ahead and do it. Trust me. That is what dance does. That is what it has done to me. When I was till 12th standard, I would be hiding under my bed if my sister's friends would come home. Till 12th. That is how shy I was. But after I joined dance, this is what has happened to me. I can talk to you as if I know you since 10 years. Have you got that? It just builds that confidence. So don't be shy. Just go for it. Mistake kiya to kiya. Kya farak padta hai? Okay? Go for it. Go for it. Don't be scared. Just do it. Agar bhula, do your own dance. That's also allowed. But stopping and staring, not allowed. Just keep moving. Okay? And continue with the dance. Arey guys, you forget here. We have forgotten the best of the shows. But the best part is you don't get to know. Okay? But we have I've forgotten to lift few actors also at times. They've gone like that, bichara, because I forgot to lift them. It happens. No worries. Okay, just continue. Go with the flow. Got that? Let's go from the beginning.
Play. I'm gonna change the spotlight.
Yeah, 1 sec. Yeah.
I'm a bad girl who was putting naughty. Made a been a freaky freaky head party. शर्म ना सीखा मैंने ना सलापी. वो तो वजह थोड़ी पीली है बताई नहीं मैं आई तेरे लिए देख सज धज के. करने नहीं आज मत नक नच के. मुंडे तू रहना जरा बच्चे बच्चे के छी मेरे तुम के पापा ने लगाया ओए.
ਹੌਲੀ 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 ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ Till I should drop it low man
Ooh, fabulous.
That was much better. That was much better. I think we can do it one more time. Or does anybody want to spotlight few others that, like Kunal, do you want to see someone else? Like anyone doing anything? We had those few people, right?
Yes. So I think they will announce who all are gonna start performing now.
Perfect. So do you want to do it now or wait for some time?
We can do it now.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Let's do it now.
Yeah.
Let's do it now. But I just have to say the talent that I'm seeing right now is phenomenal. Where are y'all, man? Why don't I see y'all most often like in dance, anything? You know, we've had this online class free for the first 3 months in Shamaks. Like 3 or 4 months. How long?
3 months.
3 months, and it's still going on. Okay. And it's lovely to see such talent because I was skeptical in the beginning that should we speed it up? Should we do it, slow it down? That's why I had 2 paces of music already with me. I had done one slow music and one fast music. But I think I didn't need the slow one because you're a fabulous. It's just for few people who are not, it's not that you're not getting it. It's just your memory. That's it. And it happens. I took a lot of time to grasp as well. But that's what it does. Okay, dance helps in many other ways like that. So it's just memory, slightly thoda practice and you'll be phenomenal. Have you got that? Mine, I'm Tejas. I'm on Instagram. Ananya is on Instagram. If you ever feel that you want to just shoot your video and send it to us so that we can give you a small feedback as to how you dance, you're more than welcome. All right? Got that? Otherwise, you can just enjoy the music. Okay? And if people from stage can share the music with you all, you can practice
It's
that on your
already
own as
shared.
well.
It's already
great,
out.
y'all. Mind-blowing. So y'all can just practice it on your own. Okay? Just dance it. That's the best way of improving. All right? So let's go ahead with the people dancing. Okay. Oh, Divya's gonna dance? I have to see that.
Not me. I'm calling out people. We just spotlight them and they'll be dancing.
This routine, right?
Yeah, of course, this routine. Yeah.
Do they remember the previous one as well? Or do you have the music or it's too much to ask right now?
The previous one?
Means whenever they've danced the last workshop. Oh, they were different people.
I'll ask them, of course. If they know it, then it's perfect.
Leave it. Don't give too much stress. It's okay. Just let's stick to this one. Let it be.
Okay. So up first we have Lisa. Lisa Mohapatra. Can you please spotlight her?
Yeah, 1 sec.
Woo-hoo. Clap for them. Very good.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
I'm a bad girl who was putting naughty. Made a been a freaky freaky head party. शर्म ना सीखा मैंने ना सलापी. वो तो वजह थोड़ी पीली है बताई नहीं मैं आई तेरे लिए देख सज धज के. करने नहीं आज मत नक नच के. मुंडे तू रहना जरा बच्चे बच्चे के छी मेरे तुम के पापा ने लगाया ओए.
ਹੌਲੀ 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 ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ Till I should drop it low man
Ooh.
Stunning,
Happy
Lisa, you're a
lyrics.
star, man. You're a
Damn.
star. Superb.
Fabulous.
Good.
So next we have Mr. Prajwal Taude.
Yeah.
Prajwal.
Okay. Let's go. Prajwal, you ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
I'm about to home with थोड़ी naughty मेरे बिना फीकी फीकी है पार्टी शर्माना सीखा मैंने दस राती वो तो आज थोड़ी पीली है बताई नहीं मैं आई तेरे लिए देख सच धज के कन्ना नहीं आज मत नच नच के मुंडे तोरे नजारा बच्चे बच्चे की मेरे तुम के पाया ने लगा
हौली 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 किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा Till I should drop it low man
Oh, that was fire, bro. That was fire. Very good. We've got a hip hopper. And one day we'll do hip hop. One day we'll do hip hop together. Okay? Superb. Keep it up. Keep it up.
Sorry. Thanks, Prajwal. Next we have Jay Mehta. Is Jay Mehta here? He was here, I think so.
No, he's not here.
Okay, bye. It's fine. Siddhant.
Siddhant Gala. Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go, Siddhant.
I'm about to home with थोड़ी naughty मेरे बिना फीकी फीकी है पार्टी शर्माना सीखा मैंने दस राती वो तो आज थोड़ी पीली है बताई नहीं मैं आई तेरे लिए देख सच धज के कन्ना नहीं आज मत नच नच के मुंडे तोरे नजारा बच्चे बच्चे की मेरे तुम के पाया ने लगा
हौली 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 किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा Till I should drop it low man
Yo, perfect. That was very good. You're a performer, man.
Full on.
Superb. Damn good.
Okay, so now we have a small girl dancing cutely from the start. Her name is Shamaika. Is Shamaika around?
Shamaika. She was here. She was learning
She
it.
was here. Even I saw her. She was superb.
Superb she was.
Oh, she's
Okay,
not
it's
here.
fine, it's fine. Next we have Mr. Laril. The guy with the bandana.
Yeah. Found it.
Yeah. Very good.
I'm about to home with थोड़ी naughty मेरे बिना फीकी फीकी है पार्टी शर्माना सीखा मैंने दस राती वो तो आज थोड़ी पीली है बताई नहीं मैं आई तेरे लिए देख सच धज के कन्ना नहीं आज मत नच नच के मुंडे तोरे नजारा बच्चे बच्चे की मेरे तुम के पाया ने लगा
हौली 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 किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा Till I should drop it low man
That's good. That's really good. And I think continued as well. Okay. Perfect. I've got guys who are like hip hoppers, man. That's so cool. Great. Good job. Keep it up.
Okay, so on public demand, we have the Agarwal brothers, the twins. People are messaging me like, oh, here they are. Too good.
Let's go.
All the best, Agarwal twins.
हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा Till I should drop it low man
I love this end pose. Perfect. You know what the best part is? You all forgot also together. You all forgot also together. Lovely. There is something connected. Very good. Okay, perfect. Very nice. Very good. Keep it up. For the best part, you were enjoying. So that's great.
Thank you, Agarwals. Last but not the least, Mr. Varun. Oh.
Let's go.
हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा Till I should drop it low man
Superb. Mind blowing. Very good, guys. I love the improvisation and stuff. Damn good. Really good. Very good. Perfect. No, but can I see, please, my hosts also dancing?
Ronit Khushbu.
Yeah. But if you forget, guys, just do your own dance. Doesn't matter. Ronit's like, oh shit. Okay. Just go for it. Relax. Chill.
3, 2, 1.
हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा हौली हौली किते विच नच बदलो नी तेरा लक ना मरोड़ा खादा Till I should drop it low man
I love the end pose. I like, see, you're so good. You're a showstopper. So the music also stopped in between. You're good like that. But to your shairi and this dance, I'll say wawa. Okay. Let's see Khushbu.
Shut
Khushbu, you're so good, yeah. I'm not just saying like that only, but you're so good.
Khushbu
You're
is a
really
dancer, full on.
Yeah, she is so good. I wish I could
So
see
now
all of you all.
yeah,
I
I have
wish
an
I could
idea.
see all of you all. But till then, I think 2020 will be over.
So I have an idea. Let's everyone should dance and we spotlight one each.
Yes,
full-
let's go.
Let's do it.
Chalo then, even I'm dancing.
Yeah.
Kunal didn't dance. Kunal was just sitting and doing expression.
Hey, Abhi, come on, hey, chalo, come on. You're just doing better every time. Govinda. Come
I
on.
was observing everyone. I was seeing everyone's doing it properly. I was like,
No, we were seeing.
Okay.
Now just dance, freak out, have fun. Let's go.
Everyone, okay.
Everyone, chalo.
3, 2, 1.
I'm a bad girl who was pretty naughty. Maybe then I'll peeky peeky head party. Shadow man as he come in and I'm happy. Utto waddu thodi pili ab bari ne main aayi tere liye dekh saj dhaj ke. Kanne di aaj mat nak nach ke. Munde tu rehna zara bach bach ke chi mere tum ke payan laga hai.
ਹੌਲੀ 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 ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ ਹੌਲੀ ਹੌਲੀ ਕਿਤੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨੱਚ ਬਦਲੋ ਨੀ ਤੇਰਾ ਲੱਕ ਨਾ ਮਰੋੜਾ ਖਾ ਜਾਵੇ Feel I should drop it low man
Oh wow, finally I saw the Chotu Shamika. Hi Shamika, we were searching for you. So good, lovely. This was lovely, superb. Guys, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
for this opportunity. Thank you for having us here. Okay, I would really thank all the organizers, those who have done this from stage, ISME, everyone. Thank you so much, guys. And it was a blast. Actually, I didn't know that you would be this good.
Yeah.
Like I thought you'd be good, but I didn't know that you would be like this good like that. So next time, I'll do more. Okay, when we have a workshop next time with you, I think we'll do more. Okay, we'll do a little more. We'll go a little notch higher. Okay.
So before you leave, we have a small surprise. So before you all leave, we have a small surprise.
Ananya and Tejas.
Really?
And the host-
Okay, I would love to see it.
Ananya and Tejas.
Yes.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਾ ਜਾਓ
This one is on not. You should be in Bollywood, Ronit.
We have something special for you guys. We hope you like
Okay.
it.
I would love to see it.
ये भी न जाने वो भी न जाने नैनों के रंग नैना जाने मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग जग की कोई रीत न जाने मैं तो बस तेरी हुई दीवानी मिला जो संग तेरा उड़ा पतंग मेरा हवा में होके मलंग मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना वे मखना अब तू ही है संसार मेरा मखना वे मखना ये पागल सा है प्यार मेरा मखना वे मखना मैं छुड़ाई घर बार मेरा मखना.
That's so sweet, guys. That's so sweet. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for having us. And I would love to be back. Okay. And y'all can also follow us. Okay. On Instagram, you can follow our Shamak handle. That is Shamak India Official on Instagram. And we would love to see you again dancing. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you.
As
Thank you.
this workshop has come to an end, I would like to thank Ananya and Tejas for coming here. It was a pleasure having you. I would like to thank SDIPA for collaborating with us, and this stage and all the organizers for making this workshop a very grand success. I would also like to thank all the attendees.
And thank you for attending the workshop by SDIP and Stage. For more updates, please follow our page.
If you like the workshop as much as I did and you love the choreography, please upload your videos dancing to the tunes. Do tag Stage, Shamak, and our 2 instructors. We would love to see you.
I would also like to thank Mr. Akshay for handling it so well. Thank you, Mr. Akshay, for handling it so well. And hope to see you soon in the next workshop. Till then, enjoy the Bollywood music. DJ Jinendra.
Hit it.
Thank you so much. Makhan, music baja.
नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। हमने कहा है तुम भी कहो, हमने कहा है जो तुम भी कहो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो, चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी।
Everyone left.
Okay. वो तो मजा आ रहा था हिंदुस्तान।
Did someone remove? Did someone remove Varun?
No, why? I don't know.
No. Nobody else
Stopping
can
the
remove
recording.
the
I don't want to record this now.
Stop the recording.